So I have already vscode. I show you how you can easily coding C and C++. We need C compiler. So open your favorite browser, search MinGW download, and here official website source.net. Open, and I'm using Windows, so I download Windows version. Download is complete. You will go your download folder, and here is the MinGW. You can double click or right button click, open. Here is the installation process. So click install, continue. It's take some time. Just I will wait until finish the download. In the installation manager is download progress 100%, then continue, and here is the installation part, MinG installation manager. I need only C and C++, so I need C compiler. Here is the description, the GNU C++ compiler. And click this check mark for installation. Click this is check mark done, and when check mark done, click this menu bar, and here is the apply change. So click apply change, and again on dialog, okay to proceed, yes, apply. And it's take time, more time, so again we will wait until finish the download. So full installation complete, close and close. Yeah, you go your C drive. In this computer, go local disk C drive. Here you see lot of folder. Just you find folder MinGW. You will go this folder, find this folder bin, and you will go and you click top bar, and here is the your path location. Just you select and right button click copy, or you can just select and shortcut Ctrl C, copy, same. Copy done, and you will click your Windows search bar, then type environment, ENV. Okay, edit to the system environment variable. Click this folder, and here is the system properties, and you go this environment variable. You click this path, mouse double click, and open this edit variable. Click new, and right button click paste. This is your path, folder paste, and then okay. Now open your vscode, and you will go this extension bar, this left side or right side, no problem. Just to find this extension bar, and you search yeah, this code runner dot run. Install this extension, and this installation is done. Then again search bar C/C++. So type this, see the C/C++ extension pack. For C and C++ extension here include. So I need to install this for better coding performance. Click install. Okay, after installation these two extension, just you close your vscode and again open your vscode. Okay, click file and open a folder. You can select any drive where you save your code. So I select desktop and I create a new folder. Click new folder and I type this folder name C code. Okay. Then select this folder and click this select folder. So if you didn't see any folder X folder, just simply you type your keyboard Ctrl Shift E, and here you see the Explorer folder. Here you see the new file icon and this new folder icon. So I click new file and you can set in any name. Just I type my first coding. First code C. Your last extension dot C. Any name dot C. This is dot C for C programming. Dot C. I hope you understand it. And when I type C++ dot cpp, means C++ program. Okay. Now I paste a C hello world basic coding. Save. Then here is the icon. You click this run code and hello world. Okay. So save, and now no need to click arrow button. Just now you click simply this run button. Here your code is run. So that's it. So I can test on C++ code main C PP, and I copy paste C++ coding. Here hello world C++. Save, and first time you click arrow button, then run code. Here your code is run hello world C++. So that's it. This is so easily you can coding C and C++ using vscode. If you feel this video is helpful, you can subscribe my channel How to Fix, and you can share your opinion by comment. Thank you.